price? Let's take that discussion forward with Peter McGuire, CEO of AustraliaTrading.com, joining us on the show. Hi, Peter. Thank you so much for joining us on ET Now. And firstly, with respect to the output hike being announced by OPEC+, how do you see that impacting the Brent oil prices? Because the other fact of the matter is that even Russian economy welcomes such move, and today morning the Brent oil is indicating a gap of more than 1% right now. What do you think the factors are at play, and along with that, the likely reaction on Brent oil going forward?
Well, good morning. Thanks for having me on the show. I noticed that Mr. Novak, who was the Russian oil minister a few years back and certainly was very vocal, is saying that Russia will be fully compliant with OPEC plus commitments. So there's the first part of it. So they naturally want to see an increase as far as production. They're conscious of the big picture. OPEC plus group of eight members called for 137,000 target hike. And I feel as though that this is going to work through into the market and possibly unwind those will unwind those October 2023 tier cuts. And I think that you're going to see, of opinion, a glut in the market come sometime probably mid Q4.
All right, that's about oil and the factors that are likely at play. But Peter, almost a 1% jump is what we are getting to see this particular morning. What is that you're penciling in with respect to the prices of Brent oil in the international market going ahead? Any sort of a range that you're working with?
Yeah, certainly. I think it's in that downdraft. I feel as though it was probably oversold when it came into what we saw on Friday, and we saw WTI and Brent certainly pushed down hard. So it's probably a little bit of movement, oversold, bounced to the upside in Asia trade this morning, and that's not unusual. And I feel the overall theme is going to be one of softer pricing, and I wouldn't be surprised for it to be sometime in the mid to high 50s. I'll go more high 50s come probably another month and a half. So I think it's going to be solid improvement for consumers as far as price, and that's something that I think everyone's going to welcome with open arms.
Peter, so good having you on the show. Thanks as always for your time.
Thank you.
Okay, let's take a very quick break. You've got the implied